Ah, are we on? Brilliant. Okay. My own YouTube isn't on though. So hang on one moment. Hopefully it'll figure it out in just a sec. Uh, I think a few of you are on the Facebook version and a few of you are on the YouTube version. So can you tell me if you're on the Facebook stream and you can see me, and if you're on the YouTube stream if you can see me? Because at the moment I know at least a few of you are from what Restream's telling me. I'll just refresh my YouTube as well. Gosh, I don't know if you can hear my fans, but they are going at a rate. A bit worried about them. There's a lot of software playing right now. So just so you know, when we do a race a little bit later on, if you make sure you're on stage 1 with me, because if you're not on stage 1, you won't be able to take part in the race. Because it'll be from the very start. Oh, I think we've got one person viewing the YouTube, which means it should be working. Let's see if it works on my phone. Maybe it's because I'm on the same desktop as the one I'm streaming on. Ah, there we go. It is working. Try refreshing it, guys, because if I show you this, this is my YouTube. Try refreshing it, guys. There you go. If I show you this, I think maybe I just need to start it even earlier next time. There you go. It's got a delay as well. Different. Yeah, so try refreshing it. The stream on YouTube is working on my phone. There we go. I'll close it on my YouTube, otherwise it's going to struggle now. But yeah, still not working on my desktop. How weird is that? Um, for waiting, yeah. Is there something I've got to do to click on it to make it? I don't think there is. Let's just quickly hit this. I'll put hi, guys. Just refresh the page or check out my channel front page. It should be working now. And let's check out my channel page on there. I'll give it a minute or two more. Ah, there you go. So yeah, it is working on my main page. Yeah. So is it done 2 separate streams? Sorry guys, I just figured this out so everyone can definitely be in it, because I can see at least 4 people are waiting. But it's done it as like a separate stream. Okay. So yes, go to my main page, main channel page. And you can join it there. Sorry about that. Okay. There we go. So we've got a couple of people on at any rate. So yeah, welcome to the stream. Glad you could all join me. Hopefully you'll all be able to hear and see me in a second. I know there's at least a few people on the YouTube one as well as the Facebook one. But yeah, these are my times tables games right here. I can see quite a few people are kind of just hanging about at the front. So what happens with these is that it's an obby. So I know a lot of you kids will know what an obby is, but a lot of the parents won't. An obby is an obstacle course. It's just the Roblox name for it. And typically, normally, an obby will have lots of different stages. So if you guys stay around stage 1, I'll just quickly go ahead because I don't want you to ruin the race for yourself. So if you have a look at that there, there's a few stages and you would jump through them, and you would just kind of progress through the different obstacle stages. But with an added mathematical twist, I've got different times tables in between each stage. So then people will be able to answer them and learn their times tables, practice their times tables. This is basically the first game that I made. There's other ones that I've made since, but these are effectively the first lot of them. When I was first starting out making Roblox games for math and trying to figure out the sort of thing that would work for my students and just for anyone else that's trying to learn their times tables or any other math. So this is the easy. It all starts on easy on this one. And you have to progress through all of the easy stages before you can do the medium stages, which are slightly harder obstacle course stages as well as slightly harder questions, right the way through to the hard stages where you have to answer 2 times tables questions. And then once you've done that, it basically lets you finish the game. So there's lots of fun things in between the difficulties. So after easy, there's a really nice fast track, which you can see right above me, that big blue bit there. A lot of kids in this will have already played it. There's also some different things beyond that, which I won't spoil at the moment. But yeah, just as people are saying in the chat as well, you do get a jetpack at the end, free one with unlimited fuel, which a lot of games don't seem to have. So I'll just quickly put in the comments, the live stream is working for most. Try rejoining it or going to the channel page if not working. So, all right, and I'll teleport peanut cheese to stage 1. Oh. There you go. Oh, so bring. Oh, there you go. So because I'm the owner of the game, I have all sorts of different admin, is what they call it, admin skills. So I'm able to teleport my students, whoever else is in the game, to me, or teleport to them if they need help from me. I'm also able to ban people if someone's misbehaving or anything else. And throughout the game as well, not especially this one, but there's 4 other versions of it with specific times tables that it does. So there's one for the 1 and 10 times tables, one for the 2 and 5 times tables, another for the 9 and 11 times tables, and another for the 6 to 12 times tables, the hardest ones, not including 10, where there's tips throughout on little whiteboards that are just about here. Just gonna see, can you see my mouse? Oh no, you can't see my mouse. Okay, so they're on the left. Oh, you can. There we go. So on the left here, there's little tips that help you through a lot of them, especially in the easy stages. And that kind of thing I've improved on a lot more in the new game that I'm building. There's actually tips for every single question. But when I first made this, there was no way to just do it all the way through without taking a long time making each individual question. But now I've added it to the script of the game, so it generates it automatically for each question, which is quite handy. And there's lots of other stuff as well in the new game that I'm making. So there's wings that you can fly with. There's all sorts of other unlockable content like pets as well. And that'll hopefully be ready actually by the end of this weekend, apparently. But I won't know for certain yet because there's always seems to be things that are cropping up with the game. So yeah. Anyway, I think I better kick off the race so you can all get started. And just to remind you guys, if I better remind myself so I don't get this wrong, I'm going to double check what Robux is on the line, how much Robux you can all win. So I'm just going to go to my community group. I forgot to write it down, but I have got it in a post that I made. So I'll put this in the chat as well. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? There we go. So first place can get 100 Robux. Second place gets 50 Robux. Third place gets 20 Robux. And everyone else playing today that participates in the race can get 10 Robux. Okay. There's no need for any of you guys to donate, by the way, to the game. That's mainly just for people that aren't my students if they want to donate. But if you're a student of mine, or you plan on becoming a student of mine, or just, you know, being in the BrainySpinach Math community, don't feel like you got to donate. Okay. So I am just going to put in the race details here. So first place will get 100 Robux. second place gets 50 Robux. Just in case people aren't in the live streams, a couple of people aren't. Third place gets 20 Robux. Everyone else gets 10 Robux for participating. I will count down. It's something I do in the last stages of my course, and just generally things where I let the students do all sorts of races, and there's other competitions as well, but this is the easiest one to do it. Lots of people playing. But the countdown will be 3, 2, 1, go. Everyone ready? There we go. Let's see. I'm glad I made the server size bigger. Put it that way. I would have put 3, 2, 1, go, but I saw someone already started, so I was like, oh no, just go. I'll organize that better next time, just so you all know exactly when to start. The nice thing about this is that I'm in a jetpack, my jetpack, that everyone else can get, but it means I can just fly along and see where the leaders in the pack are. But the way that this game works here is that the points, that's just the points that you get for each times table. So obviously I've got quite a few there. The stage, there's 20 stages on easy, there's 20 stages on medium, and 10 on hard. So there's 50 stages altogether. So this is really where we can see who's in the lead and who's not. So you can see there's a few people. I think one person's just joined the game anyway, because people find this game all the time. But you can see generally people are on 9. You can see I'm following them all along here, but they're quickly flying through easy, because I mean the stages are fairly easy, especially if you play Roblox a lot. And the rebirths, oh my days, I forgot you had so much, Dario. That's how many times you played through this entire course. So I've done it 38 times, and a few other people have done it more. And you can see in the leaderboards as well, like the global leaderboards. So some people have played it over 1,000 times, which is amazing. But you know, you can still get on the leaderboard even if you played it less than 10. Ignore the runs. That was when I was trying to put time trials in this, but I put that in the new game instead. So you can see here, let's see who the front runner is. We've got someone at stage 17, which I think is like here. Yeah, let me get rid of this leaderboard. I don't need that, right? In fact, no, I'll keep the leaderboard there so everyone can see. Let's put it back up. Who's this? We've got Peanut Cheese, Earl of Potatoes. Roblox basically lets you choose the nicknames, but I know Peanut Cheese is called Earl of Potatoes. And then who's just behind? We've got Dario KSI, closely followed by Galaxy, and then a few other people just behind as well. So it's all to play for right now. So you'll see here, the people that are completed easy, they climb up that little bit there, they go through the door, and then they get super speed. So it's a fun little gimmick. They get it, not the whole rest of the game, but just like to travel to the start of medium. So I'll start flying over. You'll see a few people just blowing past me because they're so much faster than the jetpack when they've got it. There they are. Woo! Little ramps for them to fly up and down on if they want as well. So that's all of easy underneath it. And that brings them through to medium. Here's the start of medium. I think someone else is about to come through. Oh, crashing the door if you're a bit too fast. There you go. So it slows them down as soon as they come through, as you can see there. And then we're on to medium. So keep going, guys. It's whoever gets to the very end. I think there's a lot of people on the fast track right now if I'm looking at everyone in stage 20. Woo! There you go. So keep going, guys. Keep going. It's all the way through to the end of hard. Where have we got? Oh, gosh. I think we've got a front runner right here. Let's go all the way over to them. So you can see the stages do get a bit harder. So, for example, this lava one here on easy, it was just a few lava blocks and they were smaller. But this one, you've got to jump in between them, which even I can mess up sometimes. Quite hard sometimes. There you go. And this one here, these red lines here, they're kill blocks. So if I just walk onto it, You fall apart like that. There's only one on that version of it in easy, but there's 4 in medium, and there's even more on hard. So you can see here it teleports me to the end because I've completed it, and I can just go wherever I like. I could teleport to people if I want, but I'll just fly around because I know where everything is. For example, stage 34 is right there, and I can see someone move in. There they are. Yeah. Let's see, is that... Yeah, that's Dario. Keep it up, keep it up. Oh, who's there? Yeah. Peanut Cheese is just going through the swim bit. I like this level. I really like the water graphics on Roblox. So I was surprised by how good it was when you put it in. But I put in those fish as well. Those are my fish. Just swimming about. Although they do have some weird like Jedi power to just go through the wall. Don't know how they manage that. There we go. So got some front runners. So let's have a look at the board so far. We've got Peanut Cheese in the front. So he's first. Daryl KSI is second. Who's third? I think yes, so little penguin. Penguin. Is that right? Penguin, little penguin. Yes, so like a penguin. But it's very close. Oh wow, you got a little pack there for third. Says everyone can. Oh gosh. There you go. So you got a front runner there. It's an interesting thing. So even if your body doesn't make it, so say for example you're here and you die, if a single part of your body when it falls apart makes it to the next stage, you'll still make it to that stage. It won't answer the question for you, but it just makes things a little bit easier because some of my students are maybe 7-8 years old. They've never played Roblox before, or they played it only a little bit. Or even just they just really struggle with it. So I just try to add in little things like that because the main thing is that they get to answer the questions and practice their times tables. If they don't, I'd rather be able to then focus on the times tables if that makes it easier for them. I don't make it too easy, mind you, but yeah. Other people they can find this game very easy indeed if they've been playing Roblox a lot. Eventually, I'll put some more extreme stages on to give them a real challenge. But yeah, don't worry, by the way, I see that Bill there, he joined a bit later, but he'd already completed it a few times, so he's not part of the race today. We can do another one another time, Bill, don't worry. The same with Jimonville there. They weren't part of the race either, they finished it already. So I'm keeping track of who was playing it. So I think we've got Dario, he's motoring through. Just getting to... So let's show you this. So this is what happens when you get through to the end of medium. You get this great big pool with all the fish. You got boats at the top you can sail about. And you get slides as well. Which you can climb to the top with those bits there. But if you're at the top, there you go. It goes up like that. I see there's a couple of comments, a couple of questions as well in the live stream. I'll be answering those in just a moment. But once you've finished off with medium, you fly through here. And you kind of like a volcano villain lair kind of thing. And that's where hard is, kind of to show that it is hard. I think we've got some people nearing the end. Right, let's have a look. So, got a few comments there. Hi, everyone. See if you're saying hi, sorry. I've been prattling on. Didn't see it. Let's see. No worries, Will. No worries, Will. I see he's on here now. I can see he's on. Let's have a look. Good point. What's it looking like on Facebook? Is this the stream? Yeah, there's the stream. Any... Oh, I thought there were questions. Maybe I'm looking on the wrong bit. I swear it came up on somewhere. Let's see. Oh, okay. I'll try and hunt them down in a second. I better keep an eye though on who's winning. Let's go. I think Peanut Cheese is gonna get this one. I'm pretty sure. He's right there. So you see what I mean? So the hard one here, you can see there's lots of lava. But it's just, same size lava as well. But it's just made more difficult by the fact there's more of it. And then there's also this level here, which you'll see a few people playing in a minute. It's probably the hardest one. Hey, well done. Congratulations. Fantastic. Well done. So I'll write that down. So we've got peanut cheese, first place. Remember, anyone else that's participated or that's already in this server, I'll send you 10 Robux as well, as long as you're in the group, and I can. We'll talk about that in a bit. But anyone that was actually in the race, I'll still be able to do some more. So let's see. Dario, looking like you might get second place. I'm interested who's going to get third, because it's like a big pack of people trying to do it. If you're unsure where to go, by the way, if you're in the water, you just want to go it's like the entrance is underwater. So you can see there, it's underwater. Well done, Dario. I saw you finished. So you go underwater, you come up there, and then you go through there. With Dario, KSI. Second place. If any of you have any questions, pop them in the chat. In the group or on YouTube, doesn't really matter. I'll see them either way. I've got them both up now. Am I going to add another rebirth? What do you mean by another rebirth, Peanut? What do you mean by another rebirth? If the Roblox filters confuse things, you could always type it on Facebook or YouTube. There we go. Oh, good. There we go. That's where all the comments are on YouTube. That's where it's done that. Ah, there you go. So we've got a few people. Hi, Hassan. Make it 5,000 Robux, maybe at one point, some point. If I'm Robux rich, I'll do that. No worries, Ola Waffles. If you'd already started it, you'll know for next time. And yeah, I've got the jetpack. Well done, Billy. All right, then let's see. Who's going to make it right to the end? I think it's going to be... Who's going to do it? Who's going to do it? Oh, nearly. Did it just glitch out just then? Ah, and it might be a little penguin. Oh, is it going to be? He's going to get the last question. What's it going to be? Hey, well done. Very nice. And so Little Penguin comes in with third place. I'll write that down. So, oh, actually, what is the actual account name? Little Penguin. Yeah. So Little Penguin. Third place. All right, I'll go through that again. That's Peanut Cheese in first place, Dario KSI second place, and Little Penguin in third place. And everyone else will get 10 Robux as well. Dario, you came second. You came second. There are a couple of people that already were at stage 50, but they weren't in the race. That's probably why you were thinking that. And Bill, don't worry if your friends joined. Anyone can join. I increased the server size for it. So yeah, it's absolutely fine. Let's just see if I've got any questions. So any questions from parents, any questions from anyone else that's in here as well for me, about the new game, about this game, about anything at all. Math as well. Will there be is that helicopter like the TikTok one, or will there be helicopters in the game? Like helicopter. Is it that kind of one? So when is the new game coming out? So, good question. I'm hoping it's going to be the end of this weekend. Long story short, the lead developer, the person who's helping me make the games, because the scripts and the different things in there are a bit beyond my skill and ability. They're a bit tough to do. So there's been someone helping me. But that someone was very busy recently. So They haven't had the chance to do it as fast as I thought they'd be able to do it, but they are now quite free this weekend, and they've already done quite a bit from what I could see just yesterday. So I'm hopeful that it'll be ready in beta. And speaking of that, Daryl, yeah, have you fixed the problems with the new game? So yeah, there were a couple of issues with the obbies. Like sometimes they go a bit sideways, sometimes they'd be slanting down. There were a few other issues with the time trials and stuff. A lot of them have been fixed, but there's still a few more things to iron out. And even when they've been ironed out, there's always going to be bugs. There's always going to be bugs. The main thing, though, in the game, the new game, as well as this one, you can see this feedback button here. And you can say something like, hi, the obby that looks like a blue mountain isn't working because the kill block is broken. Please fix. Something like that. You submit it, and then it comes through to me. No one else can see it but me. So please be nice. Some people aren't. But then I'll see whatever bug that it is, and we can get to fixing it. Yeah. Bill was just saying you're on a live stream. I am on a live stream. I am. Yeah. If I put it here, I am on a live stream. Check out the YouTube channel. Hopefully Roblox doesn't filter that. There we go. Is the hard things ready yet? Is that the hard stages? Is that the hard stages? I'm guessing. Yeah, I think it is. So yes, they are. They are some really cool ones actually. I've had someone helping me out making those. They're not necessarily super hard, but they're really interesting. I don't see a lot of moving parts like the ones that I've got in those ones. So what I need all of you to do is right. First, I'm going to figure out how to change the screen so I can show you guys the group. So if I add in another screen right now, browser, and then it's going to be oh no, it's not going to be that. Hang on, I'm doing this on the fly. Media source, no, display capture, yeah. So if I add that, and then I'm going to make that like that, and I'm going to put it a bit smaller. I'll make it like that. Hopefully that'll finish right. Oh, well done, Gigi. You finished it. Nice one. Well done. And then if I put this here, might do a really weird thing. So you can see on Roblox, I'm going to go to Roblox. And I'm going to go to the I'm going to go to the game first. So you can see this is the game we're all in. And you'll see it says by BrainySpinach Math, or if you're on the tablet, you scroll down a bit, it says developer BrainySpinach Math. You click on that. And this is the group. So if you join the group, I'll be able to send you the Robux that you've won. And if you put that you participated, that you were part of the live stream down here, and I'll know who it was and I'll make a note of it as well. So you can put it on the wall. So I'll try and make a note of everyone in here right now as well, but I don't want to miss anyone. So if you can see and hear me right now, pop something in the wall there to say that you participated. Join the group. It should say around about here to join the group. And then I can do something like this. So I configure the group. So I've got a nice amount of Robux. So I want you all to be playing. I want to be able to send it all. And then I just go to the payouts. And I put in the username. You'll have to be a part of the group for 2 weeks. If you've not been part of the group yet, I'll send it you in 2 weeks. But if you're doing these live streams regularly, I can just send it straight away after the live stream once you've been on it for 2 weeks. And so yeah, that'll be a nice fun thing for you guys as well, because I need to send this. You know, I'm not doing anything with it. I don't want to just keep all my groups. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to win it all. So if I get rid of this display, hopefully this won't break the whole stream. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's see everyone. So we've got Let's see. I need to put the stream back on. What have I done? Oh yeah, there you go. Nice Roblox back here. There we go. Now I'm going to put in the chat. Who wants to try and race me through easy? Oh, and also, well done, everyone. By the way, cheating it. So I'll put everyone rebirth for me at the top. And I'm going to rebirth as well. Otherwise, I'll be cheating. So now I can't get back to the jetpack until I've completed the whole thing. So we'll do a race through easy and then we'll do a race through medium. But let's see. So we'll just wait for everyone else to catch up. So but everyone line up me. Well done, by the way, Ollie Parrott. You got through easy, starting on medium. Well done. Just wait for a few more people to rebirth. So you click on that bit there, and then, oh, I'll get rid of that. Click on this bit here where it says rebirth, and it says let's do it. And as long as you've got 100 points, it will let you rebirth. So you click on that, and it rebirths you. So we got a lot of people. Oh, so Vinny. So for Vinny, you need to rebirth, please. Because that way, otherwise, when you good, everyone's done it, brilliant. That way, if you do rebirth, you can't just start again at the very end. We'll all be at the same stage at the same point. Okay. So everyone line up with me. It's alright, Zachariah. I saw that you hadn't finished the hard course. I saw you rebirthed earlier, but you'll still get 10 Robux. Don't worry about it. I'll just make sure for everyone, if you're in front of me, to be fair, you know, I'll give you all a head start. I think that's fair. I'm the owner of the game. I'm probably going to be quite fast. So I'll give you all a head start. So I'm going to count. So I'll put it in here as well. I will give you all a head start. I was going to do a 3, 2, 1 go. So 3, 2, 1, go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 5-second head start. I mean, you're all already ahead of me. Oh gosh, maybe that was too much. Let's see. This is where I show myself up now. The pressure's on. I must not fall to the kill blocks. Let's see, so. Oh my days. I can see over there you're all no one's falling behind. Is that it, Zachariah? Yeah, you only need a follow. You're all still ahead of me. You might all beat me at this rate. So I know some of you might be wondering something like, if you're all at the same stage, you're all giving each other the answers to the questions, which I totally understand. That was something I hadn't really thought of. I didn't think my games would be as popular as they've become. I mean, it's got over 40,000 plays and it's only been out for a couple of months. But in the new game, it will have some sort of, I don't know what you call it in Roblox, but it's a thing where you can basically switch off everyone else's bodies. So if you want to play it so that no one else can be seen, whilst you're doing the times tables, you just click a button in the options. I'll explain it in the tutorial when it's in there. And you'll be able to switch off everyone else there. They'll still be in the game, but you just won't be able to see them. And then that way they're not giving you the answers. Then in things like the races, it's basically just a free-for-all of who can get there the fastest. Where am I? There we go. So as you can see, most everyone's beating me up. I'm managing to just get ahead of the rock for a moment. Oh no, you're going to beat me, aren't you? Oh no. I've managed to catch up a bit. Oh no. I should have given you like 2 seconds. Ugh. Oh, I mean, to be fair, if you want to carry on, just meet up at medium. Don't start medium. Don't start medium. Just put it in the chat. Wow, yeah, you all did it. Well done. Oh, I managed to overtake a couple of you. I think maybe I just didn't see. Okay, that's not so bad. You all did very well, though. I only barely beat a few of you. Only just. I'll have to take your word for it, Dario, because I wasn't able to watch, seeing as I'm also playing in it. Right, whilst we're just waiting for everyone else to catch up, I'll just check. I need to think. There should be a way of it combining all of the chat, but it's not doing it the way I thought it would. Oh, there we go. Now it's doing it all of a sudden. Right, so I've got hi, Jonathan. Oh, cool. When is the new game coming out? Okay, yeah, it's probably computer fix. That's yeah. So Sammy Always. It's done something weird with your name. If I expand this out, maybe it'll make it easy. There we go. Yeah, Samir. There we go. So when do we get Robux? So you need, just like Earl of Waffles said, you need. I love that name. You need to be part of the group for me to send you the Robux. And if you're not part of the group yet, you have to be part of it for 2 weeks. It's a Roblox thing. I can't do anything about. But you need to be part of the group for 2 weeks, and then I'll be able to send you the Robux. And if you also pop your name in the bottom of the group, I'll try and get everyone's before the end of this live stream as well. But put it in the bottom of the group, and I'll be able to see that you earn the Robux basically. So you'd get 10 Robux. In fact, no, you get more than that if you're a little penguin. I think you are. If you are, then you get 20. Right, okay. I didn't know your mum was in there. All right, let's see. Let's get back to Roblox. So I'll pop this back up. I know it looks like I was in it the whole time, but I had like a different browser open as well. So, who are we waiting for? If everyone comes forward a bit more, I think we're all, just to make sure we're all on it, come forward a little bit more. Oh, Kiki. Didn't realize you were still at the start. So, for anyone that wants to join in, I'm going to give you guys. I mean, it was easy. So, I think medium. I'll give you another 5-second countdown. I think that's fair. So, for everyone ready. Sorry, I didn't know people were sending me friend requests. There you go. Accept that as well. Everyone ready? Ollie Parrot. Oh, Ollie Parrot, you're way ahead anyway. With 3, 2, go. 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. So you'll see as I'm going through all these, a lot of them are like this, the same ones in easy. They've just been made harder. So this one here, there's just bigger gaps. This one here, more kill blocks. There's a lot more interesting ones, like moving things in the new game. But there just aren't as many in this one because I didn't know how to do it much before. I only knew how to do it for like a couple things. Oh, no. I'm just going to get rinsed again by all of you, aren't I? Oh, I'm managing to take. Oh, guys, neck and neck with a couple of you now. I think a couple of you might have messed up on one of them. I just got to keep this up. Oh, gosh, I thought I'd done it then. I thought I'd messed up. Oh, this is one of the harder ones. Always caught a couple of people. Boom. There we go. I'm catching up with Peanut Cheese, the winner of the last one. Oh, good thing you remembered these. This one here is if you go down the wrong path, then it gets you. But you have to kind of guess the path in part. Oh, I'm catching up. Oh, you know the trick for the mountain. You can jump up the stairs. Neck and neck. No. No. Oh, my day. I can't believe I just did that. I focused too much on what he was doing. Oh, gosh. I could have beat you all then. I'm never going to catch up now. Well, to be fair, I might. I've got to keep that confidence. I've got to constantly think, I can win this. I can win this. Where am I? There we go. Oh. I can't even see myself. Got to think about how to fix that. Oh, it says Rapido. Oh. Hi, the Oli Parrot. No. Oh, no. No. Deary me. I've not even got the time to look behind me to see where the rest of you are. Trying to catch up with Oli. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I think I've definitely been beaten by one person anyway. Yeah. Ooh. Let's see. Yeah, well done. Enjoy it while it lasts. There's no no quick starts for you. Rick, I'm glad you like hard math. I know there isn't a lot of hard math in here. I mean, it depends on what you think of as hard, because there's not any long multiplication, there's not any times tables past the 12s. But there will be loads more math that I'm going to be putting in the new game when I've got the chance, which is soon. That's once it's been released, because at the moment the new game only has the times tables. I won Dario, you came third. But with the other things, the first thing I'm going to do is put in addition, subtraction, and division. Division to the same as the times tables, but using division for it. But then addition and subtraction, it'll be working its way up to the number bonds to 100, and then probably then once I've got all of that, I'll start adding in long multiplication, long division, column addition, column subtraction. Once I've done all of that, that's when I'll be doing the fractions. Hey, well done, Penguin. The fractions, the I like that. The fractions, the decimals, the percentages, most likely some algebra. I might even put the algebra before fractions, decimals, and percentages, because it would work quite well with addition and subtraction. But I'll figure all that out soon enough. I want my Math Obby games to cover basically all math for primary age kids before I do anything past that. So yeah, well done. Well done, everyone. If you don't start hard, we'll race in hard as well. So we'll get through to that. So just don't start it yet. Gigi's coming. Okay, we'll wait for you, Gigi. That's fine. We've got time. Can I put a penguin? Oh, they'll yeah. Well, I could put a penguin amongst the fishies, but I mean, certainly with the next set of pets, I could do a penguin. Because the pets, there's, I can't remember them now. There's a white rabbit, a black rabbit, a cat, a dog. There's a border collie. It's my first dog. Llama, an owl, a dragon, a unicorn, a rat. So I used to have pet rats. There's more than that. There's a couple more. I can't remember them off the top of my head. But then, yeah, there's a whole other round of pets that I'd be doing as well. So yeah, I could definitely do that. Yeah, you came second in the first race, Dario. Yeah. Yeah, Bill, we can wait for you. We'll wait for a few more people. Because I see there's quite a few people trying to get there. Oh, so little penguin though, have you started already? If I bring you back. Like that. There we go. Did you want to be part of the race? If not, just carry on. Yeah, okay. Just hang around here then. Well, if he dies, I guess he'll just be ahead a little bit, wouldn't he? But I mean, let's be honest, we're pretty fast. We can make up for that, can't we? This isn't like a strict race. This isn't Roblox on the line race, so I don't mind if it's not quite the same. Yeah. So don't worry about it too much. we just still got to beat each other anyway. If this is a Robux on the line race, then I would just not count so little penguin. So don't worry. Can I teleport Billy? So if I teleport Billy, the problem is, if he dies, he go back to medium, and it would just be impossible for him to be part of the race. But he's nearly finished, so same with a couple of other people. So we'll just wait a little bit longer. Just wait a little bit longer. No, I won't teleport you, Billy. Don't worry. Don't worry. For everyone that's in the YouTube stream, is it looking okay? Because this is my first ever stream. Is it glitchy? Does my face look weird and low quality? Any problems with it? Any problems with it? Tell me in the chat or the Roblox chat. Up to you. What you want to do. I'll see if I can. Okay, there you go. I've got the chat there. Oh, good. There we go. It's combined it. Yeah, there we go. This is the chat's working properly now. Now I can see everyone else's. So you're my friend's router teacher? Is it like the Roblox teacher on the Roblox Math Camp? I am, but probably. I don't know your friend's name. Don't say it in the chat. But yeah, I am a math teacher as well. Can you make the dog on your shoulder a pet? Oh, that's a good idea, actually. Yeah, why not? It's a free, like, not a free one. Sorry, it's 100 Robux. Neck accessory. So yeah, I could definitely do that. But it's blurry a bit. Oh, which part's blurry? Earl of Waffles. Oh, and it's really laggy. Oh, that's a shame. I'll have to test it a few more times. What's laggy? Is it Roblox, or is it me, or is it both? Oh, okay, no worries. Oh, I'm glad we got a few siblings in here. I think we got a full server now. That's cool. There we go. So we got Billy. Anyone else who are waiting on? We've got Gigi. But Gigi, I can teleport you now because you've done medium. So I'll just teleport you to this bit. Has that done it for you? Yeah, there we go. All right, I think we have everyone. Let's just see the stages everyone's at. I think Ollie Parrot's just frozen. I'm not sure what's going on with them. Yeah, we're all here. Okay. So, everyone ready. Okay. You know what? I'll give everyone a 5-second head start. It's only fair. I am the owner. I am an adult. Oh, just my camera. Thank you. I will have to look into that. It's not lagging for me, but obviously if it's lagging for you, something's gone wrong. So 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. I could draw at least a little bit in front. Oh my days, I nearly messed up the first jump. That would not have been fun. Go on. There I am. Ooh. Oh yeah, see, it's pretty much a. Oh no! What did I do? Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Fair enough if you guys do it, but like as the owner and creator of the game, when you mess up on your own obby, it's a bit embarrassing. Especially seeing as I had to play it so many times to make sure that it worked, to make sure that something wasn't broken or unfair or oh, and again. It's the pressure. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. There we go. Yeah, there's little things that just make this a bit harder, like these red spinny bits that drop down on some of the other parts of the stage. go. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, got ahead of a few people again. Nice. Oh, I always seem to down this one myself if I'm trying to go fast. Let's try and break that trend. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah, there we go. Super concentration mode. And again, we could do this. We could do the jump. Boom. Yes. I don't even know if people are ahead of me or not. If I get a chance, I'll try and look at the leaderboard. No! Oh, I think I made it past it with my body at least. Go on, go on, go on. Yes! Phew. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. That would have ruined it all for me. Oh no, I forgot about this one. Right. Yeah, I got this. I got this. I got this. Got this. Got this. Yeah, look at that skill. Oh, I thought I messed up. All right, one more to go. Oh, it nearly went through the wrong one. Can't do that. Wasn't paying attention. I got this. I got this. I got this. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know if anyone's. Oh, I might won it. I might won it. Yeah. Look at that. Brilliant. Well done, The Rock. You didn't win any of the other ones, but you went it on hard. You smashed it. Well done. Let's see. Who else is there? Who's going to come third? Hey, there you are, Peanut Cheese. Thought you wouldn't be too far behind. The Rock, second. Peanut, third. I think Gigi. Yeah, Gigi fourth. Well done, Gigi. Dario coming in fifth. Penguin just behind, sixth. That was a good race. That's a good, I should do like a one on just hard for Robux. It really ups the tempo. And then like whoever beats me gets double Robux or something like that. That'd be fun. Well done. There wasn't any Roblox on the line, by the way. It was just having a little practice run. There will be in the future. There will be in the future. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a list of everyone in the set. So don't leave the game. There's no quick way of me doing this. So I'm going to just see what is 2 weeks from now. So it's the 12th today. So it doesn't work exactly 2 weeks after. So I'm going to do it 2 weeks and a couple of days. And I'm going to put, so we got Dario, KSI. So yeah, it doesn't let me search it. Yeah, so Cat Bomb, 1, 2, 4, 3. You came second place. So you're going to get 50. Peanut Cheese. What was your... Oh, hiya, cute girl. Cute girl Blair. That's one of my students as well. Good to see you in here. Didn't see you join. It must have been in the middle of the race. Cute girl Blair 367. It's good to see a lot of my students in here. It's good to see a lot of non-students in here. It's great. So we've got 100 there. Who's that? So Little Penguin. How do we say also? Yeah, so Little. Oh yeah, Earl of Potatoes 3. You've got to be very, very specific. If you get like one character wrong, then it just doesn't let you send. So Little Peng, we got 20. Oh, Little Peng, we got 20. And now here's everyone else. So who have we got in here? Got Billy. Billabob. Billabob 992. 10. Hey, just to let you know, recording or username is to send Robux after 2 weeks. Unless, oh yeah, of course, unless you are already a group member for than 2 weeks. The group is BrainySpinach Math. Please join to let me send you Robux ASAP. And I might, yeah, there you go. So we got that there. So Billy Bob 99210. Who else we got? We got Gigi. So let's pop there. So Pookie, I love these names. Pookie Pengy. I'm guessing you're related to Sir Little Penguin. I'm just gonna go out on a limb, say that. Who else we got? Oh yeah, so Little Penguin was one of the winners. So you got that. And then The Rock. So XDX Savior 71. 10. We got Vinny. Doutra Vinny Boy. That's spelled right. Yeah, 10. We got Rick. Got Rick. 2193H. We got, oh, let me scroll down. Who else we got? Got Mason Davis. 208. Not sure how you got past the Roblox filters with that nickname, but hey ho, I won't say it. We got Captain Sockface. 10. Oh, your brother and sis, Gigi. Oh, that's nice. You got Relentless Storm. I like that name. That's really cool. That's kind of like a superhero name. That's the sort of name that I come for. It might be a villain name, you know. Depends what you want to be, I guess. And they got, oh, of course, yeah, Zachariah. Just put you at the bottom because you're doing all the rebirths. So Zachariah Amore. And we got finally Pink Kitten Meow Meow. By the way, if anyone's watching this and you weren't able to get into the server, let me know after in the Facebook group or message me, however you would like, on Roblox as well or anything. And I will potentially make the server bigger because I wasn't sure like if I'd need. I'm certainly glad that I made it bigger than 12 because there's way more than 12. But I made it up to 20. I can make it bigger in the future as well. How do we talk in group? You can talk in the wall on the BrainySpinach Math group on the wall. If you've got Facebook or your parents have Facebook, you can join the BrainySpinach Math community on Facebook. In fact, I tell you what, I'll figure out a better way of showing you next time where it is. But I will add it to this right now. So if I go on display capture 2, yeah, there we go. Good. Yes, you got that. Let's bring up my calendar on Facebook. Oh, I better have saved all of those. Oh no. Please tell me it has. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a list of them again. I'll be quicker this time though, because I know what they all were. So this is the BrainySpinach Math community. So if your parents want to join it, if you can join it, it's totally up to you, as long as you're allowed to have a Facebook account. And this is where we can also talk as well. It's where I organize the live streams and all the rest of it. So you can see the live streams done it there. So yeah, and obviously there's YouTube as well, if you want to use YouTube. So the YouTube channel is, oh, if I got a better way of doing it, I just go on the link tree and I go on YouTube. There we go. So this is the YouTube channel. We've got BrainySpinach Math, where the live stream is as well. There'll be lots of educational videos that I start to put up. At the moment, we just got a few trailers of the game and some just fun little dance things and stuff. You're more than welcome to have a look at all of them. But I will be uploading lots of educational content and helpful content to help you learn your times tables, lots for the math, and things like that in the very near future. So if you want to subscribe to that, then I would say that's a good idea. So I'm going to get rid of that there. And now what I'm going to do, and I'm going to save it this time, I'm going to put all your usernames in that list again, which you saw I was making in my calendar. Let's see. So we've got 28th there. So I'm going to create a task. Send Robux. Okay. Let's do this again. So we've got Cat Bomb. We've got Billy Bob. We've got Earl of Potatoes. Potatoes 3. In the meantime, if you want to rebirth, if you want to keep playing the game, you want to fly around and explore the rest of the map, you feel free. Just making sure that you all get the Robux that you deserve, because I don't want you to miss out. We've got Pookie Pengy. We've got Sir Little Pengy, which is one of the winners. So, oh yeah, but there's Little Pengy. You won. So yeah, it's 20 before. And then Cat Bomb. Better put those specific things. I know everyone else got 10. So Cat Bomb, you got 50. Earl of Potatoes, you got 100. Everyone else I'll put this getting 10. So we got, who else? We got Vinny. So we got Ultra Vinny Boy. We've got Mason Davis. Mason Davis 208. We've got Cute Girl Blair, one of my other students. Score 367. We've got Pink. Oh, Pink Kitten Meow Meow. And who else? Nearly done. Zachariah, get you in there right now. It was Zachariah Moore. And we've got Captain Sockface. It's a cool avatar. Let's just save it right now, so that doesn't happen again. Good, there we go. I'll change the time. So I'm going to send that on the 28th of March, unless you've already been part of the group, in which case I'll send it right now. Well, I say right now, in the next 5 or 10 minutes, because we're about to finish up. So I'll just put 10, 10, 10, all the way along. I'll make sure I send you guys the right amounts. All right, so that was fun. Thank you very much for joining the live stream. You're absolutely able to join, but thank you so much for taking part. There'll be another one on Tuesday. It'll only be for homeschooling children because it's at 2:30 p.m. But by April, I'll be able to do them later on in the evening as well. And yeah, feel free to join the Facebook group, join the YouTube channel as well, subscribe to that. Yeah, like on my videos, view them, or whatever you want to do. But certainly we'll be doing more of these. Okay, so the next one at this time will be not next Saturday, but the one after that. But I'll schedule it and I'll announce it in the Facebook and YouTube channel as well. Okay. But yeah, any questions before I go? If you just pop it in the chat and I'll see. Any questions at all? Oh, a 3D jacket. Sick. That's cool. Just quickly going through the rest of it right now. No questions? Okay. All right. Take care, guys. Bye. Just got to figure out how to stop this now.